Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Here we are with another video. And this time I'm going to show you guys, give you guys a little bit of review on my newest fuel door by American Brothers Designs. And also how to install it too. But obviously first comes first, I'm going to show you guys the quality of it. And let me tell you guys, this thing is outstanding. So what I went with was an all black gloss paint with obviously my emblem engraved in it, which I thought was super cool. Possibilities are endless with the customization with this, which I think is awesome. But if you look here, they even went ahead and added a little part for the gas cap, so that's pretty cool. But as you can see, everything is all metal, which is great. I think it's a billet, I believe. So here's that, and then once you close it, you know, it does that. So it's pretty cool. So obviously that's how you open it, and then boom, it's closed. So very nicely, well done. Now we are going to be using some parts from the, as far as my OEM fuel door, we're going to be using obviously the back of the housing. So back of the housing is going to sort of attach to this, and then it's going to be able to install. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it, but I just want to give you guys a little review on it so you can check out some of the quality of it, because again, quality with American Brothers Designs, it's A1 if you ask me. So I'm gonna go ahead now and jack up the back of the car and then begin to take out the old fuel gas cap door. All right guys, first step here, we're gonna go ahead and take off this lanyard, I believe. So I've got a little tool, just go ahead and pry it out. There you go. Do the gas cap, put that aside. All right, next up guys is, it's a little bit easier if you go ahead and jack up the car a little bit. So maybe just enough so the tire is off the ground. Because what you gotta do is you gotta be able to stick your hand inside the wheel well. Now obviously you guys know I've cut up the bottom of my car pretty good. So I still have the wheel wells, but it's sort of out of place. So I can stick my hand in pretty easily. Those of you that have a stock car, for the most part, you will have to do a little bit of clips to move the wheel well, but that's gonna hold this together. So just go ahead, stick your hand in there, and just go ahead and pop it out. There you go. And boom, voila, it comes off. So that's what it looks like. Now you can go ahead and clean up some of this off if you want, but there you go, it's off. All right guys, so now that we have this off, you're gonna need to look at these silver chrome clips, whatever you called. Easiest way is to take a flathead screwdriver. You're gonna go from the inside here, and then you're just gonna pry it over. Okay, you see that? We got one off. And then just go ahead and work your way around. There's one, two more to go. Okay. And voila. So we're gonna go ahead and keep this. And then next part is we're gonna go ahead and take off this spring. Now we gotta be super careful with it because it is a spring. So once we remove it, we don't want stuff going flying everywhere. So let's go ahead and take that apart next. Okay, all right, that's done. So now in order to remove the spring, you see here, you guys can see here, it's got a little spring action. So you're gonna hold it in place right there. And when you do that, be careful with it so you don't lose everything. There you go. There you go. And boom. We're saving this, and then we are, no, just kidding, we're done with that. Okay, we got a little spring out. So same as before, we're just gonna go ahead and start it right here. And then you gotta press down on it until it locks in place. Boom, there you go, clicked in. So now the door, so yeah, so it's got a little, I guess, spring action, I guess you can see now. So it's very nice. Again, super nice stuff here. All right, so now it's in place. So now we're just gonna go ahead and reverse what we just did to take off this back bracket. Pretty simple, line this up. And then it's easier if you just go ahead and get one of the clips in, and the other two should fall into place. All right, here we are, nice in this place. Looks super nice with the all black if you ask me. Okay, let's go ahead and install it in the car. All right, here we are in the car now. So very simple. You're just gonna go ahead. Everything sort of lines up. You got this one big gap here for this part, and then you got a little gap here for this part right here. Really, the only tricky part here is putting the rubber grommet over your fuel line. But besides that, just a little fidgeting, and you should be able to pop it right into place. I think all the clips are in. Cool. All right, now that that's all in there, we're gonna put our gas cap back on. Okay, again, just gonna put this back in here. Oh, there you go. Snapped into place, and look what's cool again. I like this part here. That's kind of cool. That's like they were, you know, there was some thought process into this part right there. That was just, I thought that was pretty nice. There we go. That is the install on the American Brothers Designs fuel door. Appreciate you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.